Hi, I'm Tom from AUDAC, and we're really excited actually to show you our new VIRO-C series. So VIRO-C series, why did we bother to build this product is because we see a need in the market actually for a loudspeaker that is be able to be very close to the surface of the wall mounted. So I'll give you some examples when you want to mount them next to a screen, but you still need a lot of SPL. Or when you want to have an installation with a very discrete profile, this is your product to go to. And why is it so special? Why is it so unique? We literally cross this at 150 hertz. So basically they pack a lot of punch. How are we able to do that? Well, we actually did it the hard way. So we developed the drivers from the ground up. On the back, we're using a terminal pod to connect them actually to the chassis so that the motoric system is being cooled better. We've got voice coil rated temperatures inside of 250 degrees. So we're able to put a lot of power on them. And to create an immersive experience which you don't expect for that size. At least that's what everybody's been saying here at the show and coming back and having a listen to them. We have several variety of models. We have the 201, actually that becomes like a loudspeaker that is very versatile. It's got an open angle in both directions of 160 degrees. While as to the 802, that obviously it's pure line array technology, so you get already a bundled image, but you get a very long throw, so 30 degrees, and this one is about 15 to 20 degrees open angle of the 16 inside. So this really already packs a punch, and it's really, again, really good for products like this to be mounted next to a screen. And even it's surprisingly, the voicing on these are very consistent, and they can really put a throw in there, but you can also combine them to play music. So mostly we combine it with a sub that we have, like the RG8X that we have with us here, and this is a 10-inch passive radiator with an 8-inch driver, both aluminum cones, so fully marine grade. And it just creates a unique combination, but because we're crossing them so low, you're able to actually combine them and displace the sub wherever you want to place them, and not having it exactly located next to it. And I think that's one of the other unique features of them. Going back to the models that we have here, we also have a ton of accessories that we're going to be coming with, and one of my personal favorites, for instance, is this one where you could mount it into a wall and use it as a side filler, or mount it onto the ceiling, flush it. There's also going to be a flat flush model available for all three models. So if you want to find out more about them, you can always visit our website, audac.eu. And I really like to thank you for watching.